you're talking 427.
Thank you.
Look at that fat bird. There's another fat one on the bush.
Where?
On the bush, but it's not as fat as the one on the trash can. You're so fat. You need to stop eating McDonald's. You fat fuck.
My phone off and she calling. I'm like, yeah, what it do? Penthouse, man, what a view. Fall back cause I'm coming through with my whole team. They coming too. That's real. Too real. Motherfucker, tell me how you feel.
Oh, okay. What's up, guys? We're getting some bacon, egg, and cheese biscuits on our way to Charlotte now. We got the fucking R6, we got the Grom, because this motherfucker's bike is broke.
Fuck yeah, mate.
We're getting our biscuits, we're getting our fuel, we got a coffee. Hopefully nobody crashes, wrecks anything.
Squirrel.
Squirrel?
See, he was eyeing me. He was like,
Bitch ass squirrel. Fuck that guy.
that
Well, let's eat him
squirrel.
from McDonald's.
hey, fuck you, squirrel.
Coffee's gonna make me shit. Okay, we're ripping the Ranger today. We'll be there fucking 11 or something. It's supposed to start at 12, so cutting it close, but we got it. Hopefully. Awkward.
What's up, YouTube? Me and One Wheel Sex Appeal on the way to Charlotte for the Wheels Up for Pups ride. I guess it's a charity ride for what? Dogs shelter. We're gonna save some puppies. We're gonna do some wheelies. So, yeah.
Boys, we're here!
Yeah.
Hey, you can't see it, but they're down there. Oh shit, there's some bikes. Alright. We are hype as fuck in here. Hey. Oh shit, Cloud's
yeah,
for
boy!
days. Yeah, boy! Woo! Oh, look at that one. Oh, fuck, I don't even know. Yeah.
Titties.
Yep.
Yeah, man.
I said, are you gonna be my girl? Squad was ready to go. Get a quick little overview here. Who we got? I can hear that two-stroke tinging in my ears and through the mic into yours. Dude, that thing would be so much fun to rip. Are we ready? We ready? We going? Yeah, we'll find each other here and there. I'm sticking with the Groms. My own kind. Yeah. Everybody's getting antsy now. Everybody took off, what the fuck? Alright boys, we're off! I'm getting up to the front with the guys doing wheelies. Yeah, don't worry about lights and stuff, just stay with the groups regardless. We need some like slower paces here for the Groms to do wheelies. We got a pretty good group. All the little guys are up front now. Or most of them, it seems like. Man, this is too small to do wheelies. Oh, somebody's doing a roll and burnout. We're moving too fast, I can't get wheelies. We'll eventually probably hit some like 2 lane sort of open road area. I like this 2-stroke and it's clean too. Dude, this moped's like sitting kind of sideways. And it works. Man, I'm just not having a good time doing wheelies.
It's cold outside, but I'm not worried for tonight. I shut my eyes and I'm alright. And if I fall, you'll catch me. They are waiting now for me to stand and make them proud. I know I'll make it through somehow.
Woo! I almost went on the side of the road. He almost hit the grass. Hey, look, it's a golf course. I wonder if we're annoying them. that dude's like, what the fuck? Oh shit, Tyler did a scrape. He scraped in front of me. That was nice. I wasn't even like paying attention. I just saw sparks come off from the back of his bike.
I spit raps like a heart attack, fast fatal heart impact, past painful scars. In fact, I blast tasteful bars and packs. I back up my actions. Fact, don't ask, grab reactions. Jacked attack with every word, then act with class as they hear me.
This one dude in the neon green Grom, he's holding it for a long time through turns and everything. I think it's one of the Z Garage guys. Like, since he got that thing, he's gotten real good. Nice and stuff. Burnout, burnout. I see a burnout going. I might get a little room now. I don't know. Maybe I can get one right here. Ah, shit. Third gear does not want to stay up very well. There we go. Cap. Oh, I hit that guy. Sorry. The dogs are freaking out. These people are like, what the fuck? This whole video is going to consist of Tyler doing wheelies because he's like, I'm right next to him and I keep watching him. Well, if you hit anybody, hit me. Huh? I smell so much exhaust fume from my various bike. Everybody's getting a little wild and rowdy down here. We sound like a swarm of angry bees. Ah, I tried to shift down in the first. This is fun down here. Where'd all the group go? Look how many there's here. Where'd everybody go? Wasn't there a lot more than that? Yeah! Yeah. Oh, we're getting tight right here. This is chaos. We are in an enclosed environment. It's very illegal. Oh, this dude's bike's overheating. I see the smoke coming around his radiator. Yeah, his shit's overheating, I think. Oh shit, oh shit. He's got coolant coming out. He's overheating like a motherfucker. His bike is fucked. Whoa! That dude was mad as fuck. He like wheelied on the sidewalk in front of this guy. He was pissed. My rear brake almost gave out. I pressed it pretty damn hard. Oh, okay then. Why did he get so close to me? What the fuck? I saw him like right next to me. This is too fast for wheelies on the ground. DRZ's killing it. At some point today we should swap and I'll do a big ass rolling burnout on that. Okay. Huh? It'd take me a second to get used to this. I'll have to do it like on the way back or something. What? It's been a while since I've done a big burnout on this thing. I don't want to do it unless I'm with people because it's kind of a waste. We're probably just gonna like chill here for a second. Okay. why it's not. Let me see if I can get more brake on it. Ready? Whoa, fuck. God damn it, my front tire. My front tire keeps coming out. Alright, there we go. Got plenty of tire. Oh.